Hello everyone, I'm here talking to you guys about this site. It's here to give you some additional resources to help you develop those skills that you're not quite understanding in the classroom. This site has lots of games, and of course, learning is more fun with games. You don't want to sit there and just listen to somebody talk. These games are what are really going to help you learn, because when you enjoy learning comes a lot easier. So what you're going to do, once you put in e-learningforkids.org, you're going to go to kids, because you guys are the kids. And since I will be teaching all different grades, because that's what special ed is, you're going to determine your grade right here. So let's say second grade. If you were in second grade, and what subject are you going to go into? Math. Could be science, but look at all of these activities for you guys to do during these times. These can also be assigned as homework activities, but they're super fun. You have science right here. Wow. Lots of games, lots of fun. It's to make you really love learning, which what I'm trying to do is really have you guys love learning. Language arts, so reading and writing. Computer skills. There's so many different games for different subjects depending on the grade that you're in, but you want to make sure that you are clicking on your grade and clicking on your subject, because that's really important. If you feel that your grade is too easy, but typically for special education, it shouldn't be too easy for you, but if it is, you can go a grade ahead and see if you need to challenge yourself a little bit, because everybody likes a little bit of a challenge. We don't want to be bored. These games are here to have you enjoy learning and have you learn new activities that are fun, because fun is a better way to learn in any case. So if you have any questions about this specific app or this specific website, if you have any questions about how to get there, please let me know. If you have any questions about what this has to do with learning, how are games part of learning? Well, games can show you different ways of learning a subject, because school isn't boring. There are fun ways to learn. If you have any questions about what you should put here, if you're struggling in your own grade, maybe you're asking me if you need to go down a level, because sometimes in special education, we're not quite at grade level, and that's what I am hoping that this site is going to accomplish, is to bring us up to grade level, which is what we need. So don't hesitate if you have any questions about it. I am so happy to answer, and thank you for listening.